Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? Greetings from the park, or I should say good morning from the park. It actually rained yesterday and I think I'm feeling a few drops. It's alright, it's not going to change everything. It might change the camera, but we'll just deal with it as it comes. So what I want to do is I wanted to revisit real quick the Sterno stove with the Trangia that I did on a cooking video. I haven't even edited yet, but I'm hoping to have it edited and up by sometime next week, not sure when, because this weekend's coming up. I got two rooster in the background. I got two hiking videos, and I went out in the rain. So, because I used an Nikon, it's waterproof. I'm working into it, getting into it. So, and unfortunately, even though it rained, we're still under burn ban. So, go figure. Let's get the stove out and get a nice hot cup of coffee going. Alrighty. Don't need that. Here's the stove. Like I said, I had it upside down last time. So these hooks here, I don't know if those will show, but the hooks, how does that go again? How did that go? Oh, that's why. There we go. And then, actually I think that it goes like that, and then it sits like this. And then you have access to the inside. So let's get the Trangia on it. I always wrap mine in a blue shop towel just in case it leaks. Make sure we have enough fluid for a significant boil, Well, I don't really need to boil the water so you get it hot. Oh. So that's one thing that's interesting. The Trangia doesn't really sit because of the. I might have to show you on the other camera, but well, maybe I will. Get some heat on that sucker. Nice. My Snow Peak's been sitting for a while, so get rid of that water. Or get rid of the dust. First we got some, I got my filter for the Black Rifle coffee. And basically a comment I had, someone suggested trying a filter within the filter. So I got it's just a Winco brown paper filter to go inside. Thought I'd give it a try. Got my Black Rifle coffee. This is a canvas bag I did in a mail call. I bought this on Etsy. So you just untie it. And what I did is I dropped in a zip top bag within the bag, just to keep the grounds out of the what's the word I'm thinking of? Oh, out of the stitching and whatnot. You know, I don't think I brought a spoon with me. Looks like it's good enough. Alright, so I'm freehanding this, so please excuse the camera wiggle. See if you can... because the Sterno can is much bigger, I think it sits both here and on these. And the Trangia is a little smaller, but if I set it on the lid, it should work out just fine. So let's get that sucker fired up and we'll get my brew going. I think I forgot to turn the camera off as I was walking around mumbling to myself. I realized I had forgotten to bring a spoon or anything. No spoon, no fork. Wow, that's funny. I'm laughing. I think it's comical, but you know what? That's fine. You make do, you adapt, you overcome, right? So I got my creamer, and I got some Trangia, some sweetener. And I still have a little half packet, so I'm gonna use that for my coffee. And we're actually seeing some bubble action, so. You know, say what you will about the Sterno stove, but it's working like a champ. Yeah, I like that a lot, because it almost acts as a windbreak as well as a stove, because I've got, you know, wind protection. You know, it's not really heating up. My water's just starting to boil, so I'm going to call it, because the water doesn't have to be boiling. Plus, it's water from home, not river water. So, which I'll leave that on there for a moment as I try to get this simmering on there. Sweet. Let's pour in the water. Go ahead and, man, that smells good. I did forget to bring a spoon, but what I did have in my truck was I had some tent stakes. I get that stirred around in there. Almost didn't have enough water. Should be fine though. I have plenty of fuel, I can always boil up another one. Nice. I gotta be honest with you guys, I'm pretty happy with this setup. It seems to work just fine. The filter in here worked well as well, and it just, you know, kind of kept the mesh screen clean, if that's... Oh, now, is it going to be a pain to get out? Come on. There we go. So there's the mesh screen. I mean, it's got coffee in it, but who cares? But here's all the grounds. I could just throw it right in the trash, as is. Or just on the side of the fire pit. Because it'll all burn up. That's some creamer. Alright, to your good health. Man, I wish I had a donut right now. Coffee and donuts really go well together. I should have bought one on my way out here. Cool. Well, as always, I appreciate you watching. And I think the Sterno stove is kind of a win. Yeah, I mean, I'm using a Trangia, but it still worked really well. You know, I had it upside down before, but, you know, so what? I can enjoy my coffee and start working on my Fired Up Fridays. So, as always, have a good one. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.